1.2 levels.
Nice.
Yeah, I think like 3 more double XPs would just about have me there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, 8 alien eggs, 15 Apoca blooms. What biome is that?
We're all gonna
It's
die.
Stop your whining, you're making my ears
radioactive, okay.
Cave length is a 3.
Get ready to rumble.
Oh, Huli Hoarder.
Lighting up.
Oh, let's kill it.
Alright team, you're going after eggs this time. Alien eggs. Can't miss them, they're big and they glow. Get the eggs to Storm and Molly and get back alive.
It's dead.
Got the hoarder.
Nice.
Oh, they all fell down, unfortunately. And we've got some
Yeah, I
enemies
saw.
here.
What's the death bot of the Praetorian?
Alright, so there's a lot of minerals down
Yeah,
below.
I'm down. Yeah, there's another
You're-
Praetorian coming your way.
Oh, you're down as in you're down there.
Hmm.
Oh, it's a
I've
trijaw, that's
collected-
what that is. Ow.
I've collected just an insane amount of minerals down here.
Nice.
I got the deposit.
And there are 2 alien eggs here as well.
Okay. I might go back up and see what's up here. Oh, okay, never mind.
We got a hell of a bullet
Oh, boy.
heading your way team. Get ready.
Alright, shall I come down to you? Is that the best thing to do?
Yeah, if I can even figure out how to get out of the hole that I dug.
Oh
Fuck,
god.
Okay, yeah. There we go.
Alright, can you call Molly just so I know where?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, nice.
Combat positions, the swarm is here.
Okay, I see Mactera and a Praetorian. There's the Praetorian. Praetorian dead. There's a starch nut up there whenever the time comes.
Okay.
die like your mother dead.
Oh, there's a fucking lithophage corruptor here and an oppressor up there.
Oh, a lithophage corruptor.
Yeah.
Jesus. Those are like the nastiest shit that we deal with, I think.
Yeah, they are very nasty.
Okay, this... Okay, I got an axe into the oppressor. He's almost dead.
Okay.
Oppressor dead.
Okay, I can't see a fucking thing.
Finish them.
Hot to kill.
Oh boy.
Trijaw. Dead. Okay. Now we need to call in a thing for the lithophage corruptor.
Do we have nitro? No, we don't. I'm pretty low on HP.
These bugs don't stand a chance against us.
Where? Let me call in the fucking thing. Okay, well there's 3 loot bugs down here, which might be enough. 4.
Okay.
Lights up.
Air's kinda heavy now.
Close. I think there's enough nitro laying on the ground. We're at 72.
Okay, I have 5, 6, so very nearly there.
Yeah, we're there.
Okay,
Because there's 75 now.
nice. Okay.
See you, suckers.
All right, there's a bunch of rock pox everywhere here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you deposit in Molly,
Okay.
okay, there's Umanite.
All right. Here's Molly. Oh, elf.
Take out the elf. It's worth a fortune.
Rockpox larva splattered.
There's some Umanite that's right by where that elf just ran to.
Okay.
Lighting.
Oh, there's a pew pew somewhere. Also a big vein of nitro.
Okay, there's the Umanite. Did you ever grab those starch nuts?
I think I did. Yeah, I did.
Okay, great.
Let there be light.
Alright, here's the
I
corruptor.
feel like I'm getting sick.
Okay, did you call in a... Has it given us a pod to call in?
It did. Wait a sec, wait a sec, wait a sec. Oh, fuck.
If I get infected, quarantine me in the abyss bar.
Alright, I'm gonna drop it here.
Walking, talking pile of rock pox here.
Okay.
Send in one of them cleansing pods.
Cleansing equipment is on its way.
Okay.
Kill their rockpox larva.
Cleansing pod has arrived.
Okay,
Time
I've
to
got
stop
the vac.
corruptor.
Or the foamer, sorry.
Alright.
Okay, where the hell is this thing?
It's by... It was by me, I don't know where it is now.
Oh, I see it. It's there.
Oh, fuck.
It ran away.
Where's
Lovely.
the... Oh, man.
I think these corruptors might be my least favorite enemy to fight in the game.
Yeah, alright, are you foaming? Can you foam?
Yeah, I will if I can get up to it.
Sucking up the foam.
It ran away the second I started shooting foam at it.
Okay.
Okay, there it is again. Okay, I finally made it back up to it.
Okay. There's one.
Step 2. Vacuum up all the
Oh my god, I just fell so far.
Hmm.
This is fucking cursed.
Okay. We're not getting the yellow bits though, we need the yellow bits. Oh, there's a goo bomber.
Okay, I'm almost down. I've
Okay,
got
let's stop for the time being. This is doing nothing to the lithovac because you're not getting the yellow bits.
Out of my way.
Okay, if you want to take the foamer, then I will take the
Alright.
back. Don't know where the vac went.
There's one here.
Look here. Little. Step 1.
Uh,
Cover rock box boils with foam.
Oh my god, I got...
We just absolutely
hunted by
destroyed
that
you,
thing
yeah.
again. Thank you.
Keep cleaning. Damn rockpox.
Rock box is making it hard to
I
do.
might be
Ow.
down in a sec. Oh no, we're fine.
Okay, just getting the rock pox off the ground.
Yeah, it's good.
Applying lithofoam on the rock box boil.
Some more here as well.
Foam.
Yeah, if you can just get the ground, honestly, I would like, because otherwise this shit's just gonna, like, kill us when we're standing.
Ow.
This is
Okay, I'm almost down again.
Oh,
Down
you are
again.
down, shit. Okay.
We ain't done killing yet, mate.
This fucking enemy is so annoying.
You're most
Yeah, he
likely
is.
to owe me.
Don't back all the time. Let me foam.
Okay.
I need light.
Can you just get the ground?
Yeah.
Vacuuming the foam.
Okay, and then this entire plateau up here is just covered in boils.
Deploying lithophone.
All right. Well, let's go and heal up. Do we have a thing down? We don't, right? I'll put a thing down.
Resupply.
Okay.
Supply plant
Oh
in
shit!
position.
I went
Launching
flying a lot further than I thought I would.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Okay.
Flares up. Getting more ammo.
Ammo taken.
All right. So the corruptor should be like 2 of its sides are open, so it should be relatively easy to find when we get there. Is the foamer through here? Wait.
Foamer was back
Foamer's
up by
here.
me.
Taking
Okay.
the lithofoamer.
Okay, where is the corruptor?
I don't know. I was just gonna get this ground stuff. Can you get the ground?
Uh-huh. Where are you? Okay, I see you. Oh, there's the corruptor. When it's
Okay.
through the hole beneath us.
Vacuuming
Oh
the
yeah, it
area.
is. Oh, I'm just gonna shoot it.
Okay.
The rock box is contagious. Get this crap off me.
Oh my god, I'm like covered in... I can't move. There's a million fucking spiders.
There's a lot of enemies. Yeah, let's get out. 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 Let's get out.
Oh no, it's a Praetorian.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay, the Praetorian is dead. Okay.
Okay, it's to the wrong side. The foam is here. I'm gonna foam everything up.
Disgusting.
Okay, that's all of this stuff too. There's a
Okay,
lot
my
down
shield's okay, my shield's back up again.
here. Nice. There's so much of it, man.
Thank God there's no okay, there it is again.
All right, there's another yellow bit. Is it open here? No.
Yeah, it's open. I'm just shooting it.
Careful, it's doing its attack. Have you got explosives?
Yeah.
Can you explode it?
Light is up.
Nice.
Things about to blow up.
Nice, good stuff.
Blade worm neutralized.
Ooh, I did not think we were surviving that.
No,
honestly.
I didn't either. That was really good though.
God, now we just need to go through and clean the goddamn ground.
Lighting up.
I think it's not. I think it doesn't stick
Oh,
around.
most of it went away.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I see. Alright. I am still super low on ammo, so I need to get back up
Okay.
to
Make sure you get the
wherever
3.
resupply
Make sure you get the
pod
3.
was.
Yeah, get the 3 play carts and put them in Molly if you can.
Okay.
Because we get double
There.
XP for those 3 play carts. There's a pew pew up here. I don't know.
To make us a
Yeah, I hear it. Oh, hello. Mr. Elf.
Oh, do you find the elf?
He literally walked right up to me. He was like
Huh.
touching me as I was resupplying.
Nice.
Molly is on the way.
Okay, where are the play carts?
Oh, it's a cargo.
assume
It's a
they're on the
cargo
map.
crate.
Yeah, no, I assume that. Oh, I see the play carts. They're down below.
I have both
I'm gonna go get
batteries.
I'm gonna go get this Enor pearl.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, I hear the cargo crate. or
No.
whatever
I
it
need
is.
Molly. I need Molly. I need Molly.
Oh, sorry.
Time, old lady. I've got all day.
I'll let you know when.
Back's full. Can't carry anymore.
All right, you can grab Molly now if you want to.
I needed that.
Yeah, I hear the battery / crate through the wall
Okay.
over here. My God, you are far away because Molly is taking forever.
Yeah, I'm just grabbing all of this nitro stuff.
Okay, where is the plague heart from here?
Oh, it's Mr. Elf. Okay, the elf has suffered some considerable injuries.
Okay, here are the plague hearts.
Oh, and there's another. There's a loot box somewhere as well.
Yeah,
Coordinates downloaded.
I heard that as well.
Lloyd is up.
Molly carries minerals, and we shoot bugs in mine. More flies
Okay,
than
where is the last plague heart?
Lloyd's
Holy
in.
hell, how'd you get
Gotta
down
go
there?
fast.
Hmm.
I was just talking to the fucking plague heart. Okay, spiders are coming from somewhere.
Oh yeah, from there.
Your time is up, creep.
Oh, I guess you got all the way down here because I exploded you.
Oh, the plague heart. Yeah.
Yeah.
Plague hearts all accounted for. Finish the mission and get back home.
Taste the pickaxe.
Okay. I am not going to get another alien egg yet because I don't think we're ready for a
Yeah, that's fine.
swarm.
I have a Oh, there's a goo bomber there. I got enough nitro for another resupply. Like we have plenty.
Lights up.
Oh, and there's more nitro.
Oh, hello, Mr. Elf.
A
Time to find Molly.
Elf is dead,
nice. Oh
I
fuck.
think.
Oh, and there's yet more nitro. Oh, that was painful.
Yes, okay.
So, a gentle Yule-type peace settled on the caves once more. Performance point bonus activated.
Hey, did you ever figure out the cargo crate?
No, it's somewhere. I don't know where it is. But I got both batteries. They should be on the minimap. They're in the open, pretty close together. I'm still getting resources. Like, there's a lot of resources for me to get.
Hey, I see. I see them now.
Fuck.
Need some free space.
I got really a lot of nitro here as well.
Okay, don't talk for a second.
Can't carry anymore. Molly, come here.
Calling Molly, Anita.
Let there be light.
Okay, I'm really close to whatever the beeping is now. Oh, okay, those are the batteries that I'm close to. Where is the crate?
I think it's close to me. Because I hear a whirring.
That's it. Back's full.
Oh my god, there's nitro. That was more than 100 nitro.
The one good thing...
Much better.
what is... Oh... What are the pink things on the mini-map?
Oh,
Jet boots here. Time to
it's
hit the sky.
jet boots!
Okay. Yeah, I'm like, I see pink shit on the mini-map, so it's gotta be something.
Well, the pink shit is the loot box from the helmet.
Safety
I don't
protocol
guess I
clear.
got
Grab
that.
A pair of jet boots.
Well, I got the helmet.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, there's a... And there's jet boots here for you.
Okay.
This
Alright,
is the
here are the 2 batteries.
Lloyd. From A to D, skipping B and C.
Fuck. Man.
Okay, wrong direction. Oh, here's an Enor Pearl.
Lighting.
Okay, calling Molly.
Okay.
Yeah, the good news is, if we don't hit alien eggs, we won't get swarms on this because you said
Yeah.
that's how these actually work. So we
Yeah,
have some time to.
I think we'll get occasional enemies, but I don't think we get swarms.
Come on, Molly. Why are you taking so damn long?
Okay.
Okay, found it.
You have? Nice.
Yep. Yeah, I'm just gonna track the beeping.
Yeah, that's good.
You want to come up here and get whatever.
I am on my way. It will take me a
out of it.
while, I think. Oh, you're up there. Is there a way through here?
Let there be
No, there's
light.
not. I think I have to go out and then back through. Is it? Oh, that's a Mactera. No, wasn't a Mactera. Oh, you're up there now. I literally don't know how to get to you.
If you can get to where the batteries were before,
I don't remember where that was.
it's
Maybe it's up here?
Light!
Must be up here. Yeah, okay, it is.
there's an alien egg very close to me. If that helps.
Yeah,
you
I
on the
found
minimap.
you, I found you.
Can do this in my sleep at this point.
Alright. Behold all of the nitra in the world.
Resupply ordered!
Okay, there is a starch nut down here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this alien egg that's right here.
Okay. Oh, there's a compressed gold thing here as well.
Resupply pod is here! Everybody collect ammunition!
What a mission!
It's kind of insane.
Skip 3 levels.
I was made for mining. Molly was meant for hauling what I mine. Mama! Ready to kill some more crepes.
Hello, Goo Bomber.
Oh yeah, there he is. He's dead. Bunch of spiders, lots of them chasing you.
I'm like, it won't be a problem if I can actually reload.
Take that! Flares up!
Okay, here are the jet boots. Okay. So that's one purple thing on the mini map.
Alright, the pink thing is below us, almost directly below
Oh,
us.
I see, yeah. Okay. Any alien eggs that are on the way down to there?
There's
No,
one-
Not obvious.
Yeah, there's one through this wall.
Everyone, can I get some attention?
Oh, web
Somewhere.
spitter.
Oh,
That
Yep.
will
Dead.
teach you.
can I get this? Oh yeah, I can just get this gold.
What's this?
We still don't have all the poker blooms we need.
Yeah, but I don't foresee that as being much of an issue.
No.
Okay, here's this alien egg. Be prepared for a possible swarm.
Yeah, cool.
Lighting up!
Swarm detected. Get ready.
Alright, I'm by Molly.
Shortly.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know that I can get back up to you.
If you want to call Molly, I'll come with Molly in that case.
Okay. Because I fell through the floor.
Okay.
Okay, I see your flashlight.
The swarm is upon you.
Molly, over here!
Park ourselves here.
Let there be light!
Get this home safely, will you, Molly?
Tri-jaw dead.
Attack! Flares up!
An oppressor, I think, is coming from
Yeah, I
up
think
this
so too.
tunnel.
No, it's just a Praetorian, it's fine.
I don't think that's what we were hearing, but I could be wrong.
Yeah, it's still around, isn't it? So yeah. There's
I'm
probably
gonna call
an
in another
oppressor in the forest.
resupply because I actually didn't resupply on the last one.
Okay. Oh, there's a Praetorian here.
Good news, team. The wave is thinning out.
Still feel like there's an oppressor coming.
Resupply arrived. Go restock. Ready to kill some more crates.
Oh, a bulk detonator, that's what it was. Okay, this
Oh,
is a
God.
problem.
Get to cover.
Okay, I'm just gonna throw a shit ton of grenades at it.
Yeah, seems fine. Alright, be ready to run away. Be ready to run away now.
Yep, I'm nowhere near it.
Nice.
Jesus. Just blew the floor out for like
Yup.
yards.
They do that.
Jet boots on!
Okay, now we should be close enough for me to just kind of drill down to that cross thing. Where did it go?
Light!
Seem
It is...
so many web spitters.
It is to our east and down. So basically like
Yeah, I see.
this direction here, sort of like this. Where are you? Okay, you're there. Yeah, okay, cool. Tiny bit to the right. Maybe like 20 degrees or so.
And then I think it's just kind of flat now. I think we're
Yeah.
pretty much angled towards it.
Yeah. A bit left now. Maybe like 45 degree left.
Oh, yep. Yeah, this should do it.
Yeah.
Wonder what
Nice.
happened here.
Who says dwarves can't fly? Take off!
A core hound. There is a loot bug. I guess we should start collecting more of our actual mission objectives now.
Yeah, let's go do some alien eggs. How do we get to them is the question. And we can go up
Yeah,
here a
there's
bit.
2 that I can probably mine to in some way, shape, or form over this
Okay.
way.
That one's already been got.
Oh yeah, this
And
one
it
is
goes all
very
the way
close.
down.
Okay, there's one.
Okay. Whereabouts? Oh, you're way below me. Oh, I see. There's a dirt wall here. It goes this way.
Gotta go slow!
Are you through this wall? You must be.
Stay down, Stinky. I haven't heard him say that before.
Did you get this alien egg? You must have.
Don't know. I'm just down here killing Praetorians.
No, you didn't get this alien egg. In which case I'm going to get this alien egg.
Great.
Watch me fly!
Well, that pissed off some aliens.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit, is that a cave leech? No, it's one of those cave vines. No, I killed it anyway.
Nice. Are you still below me? You must be.
Don't waste your
Yeah.
ammunition.
I think there's a... Okay, I'll go for this alien egg that's at the end of this
Praetorian.
corridor.
Oh yeah. Donkey, come here.
Okay.
You could really go for a cold brew right now.
That's 5 alien eggs. There is an Apoca Bloom. There is another Apoca Bloom. There is another Apoca Bloom. Here's some Umanite.
Lights up! Lighting up!
There's another alien egg here.
Okay, I just called Molly to put this one away.
Yeah, cool.
So let her get to me, and then you can call her for whatever you've got.
Swarm on a direct intercept course. Get ready.
Okay. Great.
I don't know how far you are away from me.
I suspect not close. Considering Molly is, like, still coming.
Oh dear. In which case, yeah. Well, there's an alien egg here. I'm gonna park myself here and camp here for a bit.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to do the same.
That's another bulk detonator. Never mind. I'm not parking myself here. Maybe I can. Do I have the? I don't know if I have the.
Okay.
And a Praetorian. Is this a joke?
I knew... Okay. Where is Terror? Terror is 115 meters away from me.
Okay, well I killed the bulk detonator and it killed everything else for me.
Well, that's great.
It's a good time.
Flank you!
It does have a tendency to kind of do that, huh?
Yeah. It's rather a lot of damage. Alright, I'm gonna call Molly, because I have an alien
Yeah,
egg
go
here.
ahead.
Keep fighting, team. You're almost through the wave.
Light is up!
I don't know which of the last 2 alien eggs on the maps are the one that you got or didn't get, so I'm gonna wait until you put it away. That way I don't try and start digging towards the wrong one.
Okay. No, the one that's like in the open is mine.
I can't tell that on my scanner.
Okay. Well, the one that's right next to me is mine.
I don't even see your arrow on my mini map, so...
It did take rather a while for Molly to get here.
Oh, I do see it now. Okay, so this one over here is the last alien egg. Okay. In that case, it's time to start drilling.
Jet boost activated! Time to deposit! the damn minecart on legs. Where is it?
Holy shit. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna fall into a big ass pit and die.
I've got a bad feeling about this, but not as bad as usual.
It's like one of those where I drilled through a wall and it was, you know,
Yeah.
you don't know where you're gonna come out on the other side sometimes.
Yep.
Okay. If you want to try and get over here to me, I'm at the last alien egg, so
Okay.
that way we can meet up.
If you call Molly, I'll follow Molly.
Okay. And I have one Apoca Bloom too, so we're done.
Okay, nice.
Those.
Lights up! Light!
Oh, hello, Mr. Praetorian. Where is Molly going?
Oh, I love this grappling hook.
I think you might be close to me.
Yeah, I am now. I've just been following
Yeah, okay.
Molly.
A secondary objective has been achieved. Bonus will be transferred.
There's a Praetorian. I'm shooting a Praetorian.
Okay. If you can light up this room, I think there are several loot bugs around.
Okay, that's the last of my... In fact, I'm going to drop a
I ordered a resupply.
supply.
Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna take one immediately too. Okay, there's the last alien egg. I'll get up to that. Okay, I'll resupply first. Okay, there's a loot bug.
Time to restock. Getting supplies.
Yeah, there. It just dropped everything down. Conveniently by Molly.
Lighting up.
600 gold.
On a double XP mission at that.
Yeah.
Okay. Alien egg just fell out. It's probably down there on the ground near Molly.
Okay. It's getting this nitra.
Oh.
Molly
Yep,
is on
you
the
see
way.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, another loot bug we can pop. Oh. I wouldn't have hit that yet, given the amount of shit here, but cool. Oh, you didn't actually hit it. It said it's
No, I didn't, no.
activated. I was like, definitely was not ready for that.
Shall I hit the button now?
Let's just make a. There's another loot bug.
Okay.
Mining is hard work. Good thing we're dwarves.
I assume that counts for mining score.
Yeah, it does, I think.
Okay, now we
I
can.
think we actually have a chance to make it out alive.
Sending in the drop pod, starting the counter. This is it, team. Do us proud.
Can we get up there? Is there somewhere we can go?
I assume that's the direction that we need to go, so yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna start trying to head that way.
Flares up. Watch me fly.
You can see why I thought I was gonna die. I like came out of the ceiling and
Drop pod has arrived.
Yeah.
Retrieving the mule.
Bam!
Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
oh yeah, luckily we have jet boots. Oh, look, you found it in the night.
I did, and more
And some
nitro.
nitra that you can do. I hear some spiders.
Oh yeah, there's a web slipper. Which way did Molly go?
Not sure.
I don't think it was up here, was it? Oh, it's through here.
Where is here?
Follow me.
I don't know where you went.
Okay. Do you want me to hit the button? Do you want me
Oh,
to?
you're down. Oh, I see you. You're down.
If you hit your pointer, you'll be able to see me.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Okay.
Booyah!
Drop pod departing in T-minus.
Okay, trying not to shoot you.
Thank you.
Trying to
Okay,
get better
arrows are
about
down
that because I know on the upper levels it starts to really
Yeah,
do a
yeah,
lot
yeah.
more friendly fire.
The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. Deep Rock Galactic thanks you for your good work.
I see it through
Drop
here.
pod will leave with or without you.
Okay,
You might
that's
have
gonna be
difficulty getting
tricky
through.
for me.
Yeah, it's the drop pod's
Yeah.
right here though. So
Yeah, it's fine. I'm
Once
just
you're
going
through.
to.
Let there be light!
And I'm out.
nice.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes.
What a mission.
This is a very good mission.
Maybe we're not gonna die after all!
Oh yeah, I have some stuff I could drop off too, although I don't guess it really matters.
I don't think
that
you need
much.
to now.
Retrieving
GG.
I wouldn't
That
be
was-
surprised if that's like a 30,000 XP mission.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. It's 42 minutes.
God, I thought we were dead with the corruptor.
Yeah, yeah. All right, yo. 2/3 of the way through.
739 mining. Wow.
24k. And 361 Umanite. My goodness.